Because at the end of the day, the lab is about, did you run the experiment and what data did I get? And we provide easy access to both of those things. Hi, my name is David Fuller. I'm the CEO and co-founder of Artificial. In the R&D labs, the tools and the way in which we're doing experimentation aren't good enough. How can we make it so that the scientists can get more done more productively? At the end of the day, it's just about accelerating the rate of scientific production, and we provide digital tools to do that. Artificial is a software platform that runs a lab and it gathers a bunch of data. So the scientists don't lose any information, can repeat what they've done, and can effectively share it with other people. We just make science more accessible to more people with better data. So rather than try to automate everything, we really embrace the role of the scientist and their decision-making in the process and wrap them in what we call a digital cocoon. And really what we're seeing is everybody wants to have a data-driven lab, and they want to use that to drive the efficiency of their operations. We also have amazing customers like Tessera. So they're doing cell and gene therapies, and what we're doing with them is, again, providing the scientists this digital cocoon that lets them democratize their access to automation. So we work closely with the automation team at Tessera so that all of the capital equipment they bought, all of their digitized workflows are accessible to the rest of the scientific community inside of Tessera. So this idea of let's automate an experiment for the scientists, let them close the loop, and feed that to an AI to suggest the next best experiment.
What we want to do is not only just automate things, but we want to understand our lab. Artificial captures a lot of really nice data to help us understand not only our lab, but our processes better.
Artificial provides consistency between all of our teams and allows every team to communicate with one another. When one team runs one process, and if you are the next process, you know what's coming up, you know what to expect. You know how to plan, and you know how to efficiently get experiments through multiple departments.
Increasing the efficiency allows us to run more samples, do more experiments in the same allotted time.
We're extremely excited about generative AI and the high-level view of its transformative nature on the lab, but we also just like the fundamentals. Do we have the tools to digitally describe what's happening in the lab? Do we know what equipment is there? Do we know what it does? Do we know how long it takes? Can we share and describe scientific experiments? So I'm excited to see that Artificial will transform both the data you get into your generative AI and the ease of digitizing every other aspect of your lab's operations. I am extremely excited to wake up in the morning and look at what our customers are doing and how I can empower them with amazing digital tools to do best-in-class science as quickly and productively as possible. I'm extremely motivated to transform the way labs digitize, automate, and execute their science.